Today we're doing an in-depth look at the Honor Watch GS Pro to find out if it is the best rugged smartwatch for you. Make sure to watch to the end and subscribe to this channel so we can help you with survival gear regularly. Now let's jump on into the video. The Honor Watch GS Pro was first released in September of 2020, together with Watch ES at IFA 2020. GS Pro is a terrific fitness smartwatch because it improves on the Honor Magic Watch 2's features. It has a new ruggedized design, a super long-lasting battery, and outdoor features that make it one of the best on the market today. However, you may be annoyed by several parts of the watch because it is extremely pricey, lacks many lifestyle features, and is actually quite large. But do the pros outweigh the cons? Keep watching as we dive into our review of the GS Pro. First, let's look at the price. The GS Pro is Honor's priciest smartwatch to date, costing £219, approximately 400 Australian dollars or 300 USD, which is significantly more expensive compared to the Honor ES, which is only about £99 or 130 US dollars or roughly 175 AUD. At this price, the GS Pro sits at the upper end of the mainstream smartwatch market. Now let's check out some of the key features. What makes this product unique? The GS Pro's look takes a cautious step towards the vast outdoors without fully committing. The GS Pro is ideal for those who prefer to spend time in nature thanks to its adventure fitness functions, environmental monitors, long-lasting battery, and a hard body. With all of its training stats, running courses, and a rest timer, many Honor smartwatch features are useful to your well-being and fitness, and the Watch GS Pro is no exception. The GS Pro is a super durable watch that won't die on you in the middle of the day, with a battery life that consistently reaches 3 weeks, if not more. But what makes it worth buying? The functionalities of the Watch GS Pro are designed to emphasize workout and health. Honor's preferred smartwatch operating system is Light OS, which is also utilized in the Watch GS Pro. Compared to the other OS, it feels significantly stripped back. Aside from your primary watch face, you may also access your stress chart, daily heart rate chart, music control, weather, and sleep monitoring by sliding from the main face. If you hit the bottom button, you'll be transported to the menu for fitness. When you choose the top choice, you'll be taken to the app list, which includes breathing techniques, a compass, alerts, all of the options on the home menu, and a few more features. Apps and menus open and close swiftly, making everything feel smooth and super intuitive. Many of the lifestyle functions are useful, such as music management, which instantly detects streaming on the phone, allowing you to control all your music, as well as the app for weather, which consistently provides accurate forecasts for your location. The remote shutter feature can capture pictures without you even having to touch it, which is pretty ideal for selfies on a mountaintop, for example. There are also other adventure-specific aspects that outdoor enthusiasts will love. Altitude monitors and air pressure are two examples of features that may be useful for people hiking in high-altitude environments or mountains. Also, there are major weather alerts, such as monitors for moons, suns, and tides, which show you when the moon and sun will set and rise, as well as when high and low tides will occur. Unlike Honor's previous watches, the GS Pro does have a built-in GPS, which means you don't need a Bluetooth-connected phone to get precise geolocation information. How long does the battery last? Between charges, the Watch GS Pro lasts a full month or 28 days, which is excellent for a smartwatch. You'll literally forget where you put the charger because charging is so uncommon. With the watch's lengthy battery life, you won't have to worry about running out of battery when you're out and about. This makes it great for extended excursions when you won't be able to charge your gadgets as often. How long does it take to charge? A proprietary pad is used to charge the GS Pro. The pad magnetically clips to the watch and plugs into a USB port. Although the batteries seem enormous, it only takes about an hour to fully charge the watch from totally empty. What about this product is useful? The new fitness tracking modes designed for adventures make the GS Pro super useful, as well as the tools to monitor the atmosphere and other attributes geared towards outdoor enthusiasts. These attentions to Honor's already superb fitness tracking settings are great for new fitness fanatics, even though they aren't quite as good as those found on more professional trackers. The GS Pro is great for anyone who enjoys tracking workouts, and virtual running courses are included with the GS Pro. These courses help you with specific laps and tell you how to control yourself better to improve your stamina and speed. If you're doing a hit run, for example, the watch will notify you when it's time to switch when alternating jogging and sprinting. This is a rugged watch for people who want to improve their running. This watch is also especially useful for trail running. Cool things about this product. Even though you may be annoyed by several parts of the watch, because yeah, it is quite pricey, lacks many lifestyle features, it is pretty large. If you're looking for a rugged and durable smartwatch, the GS Pro is a great watch to start with. The GS Pro is a rugged smartwatch with a sturdier and more durable build that offers solid fitness functions in a small package. It also includes additional activity tracker modes targeted for atmospheric sensing capabilities, adventure sports, and other features aimed at nature lovers. Next up in our review is its technical stats. The display. This touchscreen has a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels and a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a maximum brightness of 800 nits. Colors are vivid and brilliant, allowing you to quickly see whatever you're viewing. And the screen is simple and super intuitive to operate. Another great feature is that the Huawei Health Tie-in app allows you to customize your display even further. In addition, automatic brightness adjustment, screen timeout controls, always-on functionality, and flex to awake are all supported by the screen, which is activated by default. Water resistance. The GS Pro is water resistant to a depth of 50 meters and has passed military-grade IL/STD 810G tests. Durability and shockproofing. The GS Pro is hardier than most watches and has a sturdy structure that is made to last, with materials that can handle drops, bumps, and even scratches. Weight. The Honor GS Pro is one of the heaviest watches on the market, weighing in at 45.5 grams for the watch body alone. Band size, length. The GS Pro consists of two detachable straps in a large body. The lengthy straps have many holes, allowing you to easily adjust how tight or loose the watch is. This guarantees that the watch will fit various sizes of wrists, while also making the wristband extremely flexible. The straps are constructed with fluorofiber, which makes the watch easy and smooth to wear and less irritating to people with skin disorders than other common strap materials. The band also contains two loops. One loop has a notch to fit into the closely spaced adjustment holes spanning the length of the band, and the other keeps the tongue of the unused strap out of the way while wearing. It also has a brushed metal tang buckle to ensure a secure yet comfortable fit. Battery. The GS Pro's battery life is possibly its best feature. You can use it to log 2 days of exercises in a row, and it can last up to a month between charges if you don't use the fitness functions frequently. Dimensions. The GS Pro is a well-rounded, rugged smartwatch with 1.39-inch AMOLED display and an angular 48mm frame. Sensors. The GS Pro is jam-packed with sensors to help you make smarter fitness decisions, and it monitors an amazing amount of activities natively throughout 100 different training modes. Aside from constant heart rate monitoring, sleep, and stress tracking, the device can also assess blood oxygen saturation levels. Colors. The Honor GS Pro comes in a charcoal black color scheme with a black strap. Audio. The audio features are also pretty impressive. The watch includes a microphone and speaker. The microphone is only used when you choose to take a call through Bluetooth, and the speaker is only used for voice calls, music playback, and workout instructions. There is no built-in virtual assistant. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of the Honor GS Pro. First, the pros. It has excellent battery life, it's resistant to damage, and it has numerous features. For the cons, it does have a large body and design, it's extremely costly, and it has poor handling of notifications. So what's the bottom line here? Is this the best rugged smartwatch? One of the best? One of the worst? Is there a better rugged smartwatch out there? The Honor GS Pro is one of the most advanced fitness smartwatches available today. It's a particularly good choice for people searching for an adventure companion, thanks to the addition of a super long-lasting battery, bespoke outdoor functionality, and a new rugged design. Who's this product best for? The GS Pro is ideal for those who enjoy spending time in nature. With various training measurements, running routes, and a rest timer, the watch is perfect for boosting your fitness and well-being. Who is the watch not for? The GS Pro isn't for anyone looking for a smartwatch that functions as an extension of their phone. For example, allowing them to respond to WhatsApp messages and view images posted to them on Facebook. Well, that's it for this review. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos of survival gear and much more. Check out this playlist for our best survival gear videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.